Good evening, friends. I am Rajinder Jatana. I am going ahead with Maxima and Minima. Learn with fun. Here is a class going on. There is a teacher and few students are there. They are having certain queries with them. So how the teacher will clear the queries? All fun is involved in this. खुशी पूछ रही है, सर ये मैक्सिमम क्या होता है, मैक्सिमा क्या होता है? लक्ष्य पूछ रहा है L1, सर ये सिलेबस में है या डिलीट हो गया है? Teacher is saying that I'll reply to each question. There is another Lakshya, L2. सर क्या ये डिफेंस में भी काम आता है? कृतिका पूछ रही है, ये मिनिमास क्या होता है सर? संस्कृति इज देयर, सर इसका प्रैक्टिकल यूज कहाँ पर है? नाउ दीज आर फ्यू क्वेश्चंस पुट by the students. Now the teacher is replying like this. Sir, ये maxima क्या होता है? It is plural of minimum, maximum. Maxima means plural of maximum. There are so many maximums. We'll see them later on. ये डिलीट नहीं हुआ है. ये पूछ रहा है क्या सिलेबस में से डिलीट हो गया है? No, it is not deleted. क्या इसका डिफेंस में भी यूज होता है? Yes. L2 पूछ रहा है. And teacher says yes. How it is used? What the country wants that there should be a minimum loss in life and maximum enemies should be killed. There should be a maximum loss to the enemies. So there is a minimum maxima use here. Minima, it is plural of minimum. It means there are many minimums that we will discuss later on. इन सब का प्रैक्टिकल यूज होता है. So that we'll see कि प्रैक्टिकल यूज कहाँ कहाँ पे होता है. Let us go further. Look here. This maxima and minima is also known as extremum. So extremum means either maximum or minimum. Necessary condition to exist an extremum. मैक्सिमम या मिनिमम निकालने के लिए कंडीशन क्या है? नेसेसरी कंडीशन क्या है? द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ एक्सिमम ईदर occurs when f dash x is 0 or f dash x does not exist, or both. So when we say maxima, it means local maxima. Look here, there are so many maximums. They are all called local minimum, local maxima. There are many minimums. They are the local minima. So there are then absolute maximum and absolute minimum also. Now maximum of the maximum is called absolute maximum and minimum of the minimum is called the absolute minimum. Now look here, A function fx is said to be maximum at x is equal to a if there exists a very small positive number h such that fx is less than fa. A पे maximum होगा, fa will be the height will be the maximum at x is equal to a. So in the neighborhood of a minus h and a plus h. मान लीजिए यहाँ मैक्सिमम है, इसके इस साइड पे ये जो एफ ए होगा वो मैक्सिमम होगा, एफ ए माइनस एच लेफ्ट साइड पे होगा वो कम होगा, एंड एफ ए प्लस एच वो भी कम होगा, लेकिन एफ ए ज़्यादा होगा. सो सिमिलरली ए फंक्शन इज सेड टू बी मिनिमम एट एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए इफ एफ ए इज लेस देन एफ एक्स. यहाँ पे एफ ए वॉज ग्रेटर देन एफ एक्स, here f is less than fx in the neighborhood of a, that is a minus h and a plus h. In this interval, this is the minimum. Now let us go further. There are absolute maximum and absolute minimum. This absolute maximum is called global maximum, and absolute minimum is global minimum. No, they have been defined like this. A function f has an absolute maximum or global maximum at c if fc is greater than fx for all x belonging to the domain. सबसे ज़्यादा it is maximum of the maximum, and global minimum is minimum of the minimum. Function f is an absolute minimum if at x is equal to c if fc is less than fx for all x belonging to the domain. So this is the global minimum. Some notes are there. The maximum and minimum points are always known as extremum points, that we have already discussed. A function may have more than one maximum or minimum points in the interval. Note number 3. A maximum value of a function in this interval, closed interval, is not necessarily the greatest value in that interval. Fourth is, if a continuous function has only one maximum or minimum point, then at that point function has the greatest or least value. Monotonic functions do not have extreme points. Monotonic means they are going in one tone. The curve is going up, and it is not stopping. So there will be no maximum, no minimum. Let us go to the next one. How to find maxima and minima? There are two methods. First derivative method, it is an old technique, and second derivative method, it is the latest technique. Now we have to make a chart like this. Right here before and after here. Right here f dash x. Now if f dash x is positive before the turning point, so turning points are stationary points. Put f dash x equal to 0, you will get the turning points are stationary points. They are also known as critical numbers. This is the first step, and then we have to either go by first derivative method or we have to go by second derivative method. So with the help of example, I will let you know how to apply this. Find the local maximum and local minimum values of the function fx is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. Step 1, put f dash x equal to 0. Now derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of 6x square is 12x, and derivative of 9x is 9. So take 3 common and we get the factors. So we get the values of x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. These are the turning points or stationary points. Now in this first step, we have to see that what is happening before the turning point or before the turning point and after the turning point. If before the turning point f dash x is positive and after the turning point it is negative, from positive to negative it is maximum, and if it is going from negative to positive it is minimum. Whereas in the second derivative method, take the second derivative. If the second derivative comes at the turning point positive, it is minimum. If it comes negative, it is maximum. So in this case, if we are having 2 turning points, take f double dash x. F double dash x will come out, that is 2x minus 4. Its derivative will be 2x minus 4. So at x is equal to 1, it is negative. When it is negative, it is maximum. So at x is equal to 1, it is maximum. Now when we put x equal to 3, x is equal to 3, it will be 3 into 2, 6 minus 4, 2. It is positive, so it will be minimum. So this is what I wanted to teach you today, that there are 2 methods of finding the maxima and minima. First derivative method and second derivative method. So I hope you have understood what I wanted to teach today. This topic is very, very important. One question definitely appears in your plus 2 exam. It is a must. So I will be coming up tomorrow with few more notes on this, and you will find that these are very, very easy. Thank you. God bless you. Good night. Keep on watching my videos. If you like it, please do subscribe it and also share this among your friends. Bye. Good night.